Hi guys, in this video we'll have the backend implementation for the delete. Okay, and we will go to the interface and declare a new method for the delete. So this method is void and delete employee by ID. That is the name of the method, delete employee by ID. So we need a parameter of type long ID. Here it is. So now let's go to the employee service implementation and implement this new method, add unimplemented method. Okay, so for this we just need to use the repository. Okay, so we use the employee repository and we will call a method delete by ID. So here it is, and then pass this ID. So we finish with this, and the next thing is the controller. So let's have the delete mapping. So we need to define add delete and delete mapping with the part, this part, that is the employee and the ID. So we need to have this within a string. So let's define the action. So we will have a public response entity of map. Okay, and the key and the value, we need a string followed by boolean, okay, which will return. So we will call this delete, that is the name of the action, and this will only have the path variable in the parameter. So let's define the action logic. So the first thing we need to do, we call the employee.service then we need to call the delete employee by ID, pass the ID. That is all. And the next thing, let's define our map, which will return as a response entity map. The key is string followed by boolean. So let's call this response, so equal to new hash map. So and then we need to have the response that we will add the data. So the string is that we pass deleted. We will check if it is deleted, then we set this to true using the boolean dot true. So that is all, and let's return response entity. Let's remove this, then access the OK and pass the response as the body response. Okay, that is all that we need to do. Let's have the semicolon here. Okay, save the changes, and the next thing we're going to do is we will have the last implementation, which is delete for the front end.